Vice President Sara Duterte will continue to fight against greedy government officials. She emphasized this while sharing the achievements of the Office of the Vice President for 2025. Jason Rubrico tells us more.
Vice President Sara Duterte shared in a video message the accomplishments and milestones of the Office of the Vice President throughout 2025. Among these was their Medical and Burial Assistance Program. Despite the lack of funding, the OVP was able to provide aid to 4,643 Filipinos with illnesses and extend burial assistance to 1,377 beneficiaries.
Hindi kami pumayag na maging dahilan ang kakulangan ng budget para maputol ang serbisyo. Sa halip, nakipagtulungan kami sa ibang ahensya ng gobyerno at nagtagumpay na makakuha ng alternatibong pondo. Ito ang pruweba na kung may puso at paninindigan para maglingkod, laging may paraan para tulungan ang ating mga kababayan.
A total of 73,054 families affected by disasters were assisted through the OVP's Disaster Relief Program. Their Kalusugan food trucks served meals to 1,866 volunteers, rescuers, and frontliners, while 56,575 bags of rice and essential food items were distributed to families in need. This year, the OVP exceeded its target of planting over 1 million trees nationwide as part of the Pagbabago campaign. Under the Million Learners campaign, 460,272 bags containing school supplies and dental kits have already been distributed. Through the Magnegosyo Taday program, the OVP provided support to 15 groups and 2,245 aspiring entrepreneurs this year. From January to October, the OVP's Libreng Sakay buses served 875,176 commuters nationwide. In addition, VP Sara also highlighted the OVP's accomplishments in good governance, particularly in the efficient management of funds.
Mula sa mahusay na financial report ng OVP Finance Team, nakuha natin ang unqualified opinion mula sa Commission on Audit, ang highest audit rating. Ito ay malinaw na indikasyon ng ating transparency at fiscal integrity.
At the same time, VP Sara emphasized that they will not stop fighting against greedy and abusive government officials.
Mga kababayan, patuloy tayong lalaban sa kasakiman ng mga iilang mataas na opisyal ng ating pamahalaan. Patuloy namin na ipapakita sa inyo na ang tanggapan ng pangalawang Pangulo ay mahalaga sa amin ang pagkakaroon ng plano, mahusay na implementasyon ng proyekto, paglaban sa korupsyon at tapang at malasakit para magkaroon ng kapayapaan at kaunlaran sa ating bayan.
In conclusion, the Vice President encouraged the public to remain resilient in the face of crisis and to continue showing love and care for the country. Reporting for Newsline World, I am Jason Rubrico, SMNI News.